हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल एक्सेलश्योर मैं हूं आपकी डॉक्टर रूबी सिंह जो इंटरव्यू ले रही है जिससे आप लोगों को फ़ायदा हो। अभी आपको पता है हमने काफ़ी सीरीज़ ये जो सीरीज़ चालू किया है जिसमें हम इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं, चाहे वो बीएससी हो, एमएससी हो या पीएचडी पोस्ट डॉक हो या साइंटिस्ट ही क्यों ना हो। इस सीरीज़ का सिर्फ यही मकसद है कि आप लोग को एक तरह का मोटिवेशन मिले, तरीका मिले कि जिस तरह से आप भी अपनी तैयारी कर सकते हैं। तो आज के इस एपिसोड में मैं अपनी एक स्टूडेंट आर्या एस सनील को इंटरव्यू कर रही हूँ, जिसमें वो अपने क्वालिफ़िकेशंस, अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताएगी कैसे उसने अपनी जॉब प्रोफाइल को चुना है। तो शी वॉज इंटरेस्टेड बेसिकली इन डूइंग दी कंपनी जॉब एंड उसने उसको कैसे अप्रोच किया आज हम उससे सुनेंगे। तो लेट्स हियर व्हाट शी हैज़ टू से।
Hi all, I'm Arya S. Sanil Kumar. In this video, I'm going to answer few questions that Ruby ma'am had asked me to answer. So let's begin with my introduction. My name is Arya S. Sanil Kumar. As I already mentioned, I have done my BSc Biotechnology from Modern College Ganeshkand, Pune, and currently I'm pursuing MBA in Pharmaceutical from Metcon Institute of Management. In the meanwhile, I got my placement and started working as a market research associate at Orbis Research. That's all about me. If I talk about Dr. Ruby Joshi, she is one of my favorite professors and I know her since 2016 when I was in Modern College doing my second year of BSc Biotechnology, and she was our biophysics professor. As I said, she is one of our favorite professors just because the way she used to teach us, she was very unique in her teaching, which made all of us to remember her. Okay, now let's move on to this set of questions. So the first question is, what inspired you to take MBA in pharmaceutical? Okay, what inspired me? Before that, I guess relatively early on in my BSc Biotechnology third year, I was also going through the most difficult phase that every student faces, that is deciding what to do next after completing a graduation. I was all in a fog. I was worried, what should I do? Should I go for MSc in biotechnology? Should I go for any other programs which are available? I was totally baffled. And at that time, one of my senior, Julie, she suggested me, or from her I came to know that there is a scope called MBA in pharmaceutical or PGDM in pharmaceutical. This new term, I should say a new term because it was very new for me. When I heard about it, I got fascinated and I thought I can do it. Like, it was very new for me, and as like every other student, I got fascinated towards it. And I did lots of research. I did whatever I can do, and at last I decided, yes, I am going to do MBA in pharmaceutical. And yes, in this way I landed upon MBA in pharmaceutical, and it's been 1.5 years that I am doing this course. Here I want to clarify a doubt. I guess that most probably many students will have this doubt. That is there any difference between MBA in pharmaceutical and PGDM course, that is post-graduation diploma course? So guys, both these programs are post-graduational level management courses, and the foremost difference between these two programs are like PGDM is a diploma course while MBA is a degree course. That is simply the difference. And incidentally, there are many people who have an idea that the market value of diploma programs, that is PGDM programs, does not match with the level of MBA, that is degree. Guys, there is nothing like so. Anyhow, all this is just a notion. Okay, the another factor which make a big difference between MBA and PGDM is the syllabus. The syllabus of MBA is all designed by the universities, but on the flip side, PGDM courses, the syllabus is designed by the institutes individually, which leads to the flexibility in the curriculum, like more flexibility in the curriculum, and there are various changes that are made in the syllabus every year on year according to the changing industry. And even the colleges who are offering PGDM courses are expected to be more suitable and allied with the trends in the corporate world. So okay, now let's move on to the next question, that is, what attracted you the most about the company? Here the company means where I got placed, that is Orbis Research. It is a market research company, and it's been just 5 years that this company got established. And yes, what attracted me is that, like, I'm a kind of person who believe that if you want to start a career, you should start with a growing company or a startup, because in those companies you will get to know, or you will get to learn many things which you may not be able to learn in a multinational or a big company. So that's why I got attracted to this company. And yes, it's been like 7.5 months that I'm working in Orbis Research. I should say happily working. So let's go to the next question, that is, what was your strengths that led to hire you in that company? The strengths that I have, or even anyone should have to get into a market research company, is you should have very good command in English, you should be good with numbers, and even you should have the ability to distill the large amount of information into specific takeaways. So these are the strengths that are majorly needed. And yes, one more thing, that is logical thinker. You should be very logical. Yes, that's it. So let's move to the next question, that is, what are the advantages of taking MBA in pharmaceutical? So the advantages are vast. Like, pharma management is one of the fastest growing and rewarding field in this management courses, and even pharma industry are one of the top running player in any country. And even there are pharmaceutical companies all over the world which requires member of managing experts. So yes, there are lots of advantages. And even if you think, like, in this situation, that is coronavirus is spreading a lot, even in this situation, the growing, I can say, this industry, that pharmaceutical industry is not stop growing, because this industry will remain until we people are there. So that explains everything, that yes, this pharmaceutical industry is very vast and the advantages are also very vast. So I'll recommend you all to do more research on this course, and if you feel this course is helpful for you, then just go ahead. You will definitely see a success. And that's all. So this was my last question, and thank you so much for listening. Yes, so bye.
वाह, बहुत ही अच्छा बोला. So I really want to say thank you to Arya for giving and taking out some time for me to tell about yourself. So इससे हमें ये पता चलता है, it's not necessary that you always try to get the entrance and do PhD in research. You can also have the alternate option. आप चाहे तो आप कंपनी प्रोफाइल भी जा सकते हैं, जहाँ पे रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट है, R&D डिपार्टमेंट है, आप वहाँ भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. यू कैन टेक अदर ऑप्शन ऑल्सो, जैसे कि आर्यन ने लिया है MSc फार्मास्यूटिकल्स. तो इट्स ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ रिसर्च ओनली. सी, हम जो रिसर्च करते हैं, एट द एंड हमारा मोटो क्या है कि हम एग्जिस्टिंग बीमारियाँ, एग्जिस्टिंग जो डिसीज़ या डिसऑर्डर है, उसका एक तोड़ निकाल सके, एक मेडिसिन या वैक्सीन निकाल सके. सो इसी तरह से एक फार्मास्यूटिकल भी यही अप्रोच करेगा कि आपके रिसर्च से वो इस चीज़ को मार्केट में ला सके. तो यू कैन हैव मेनी ऑप्शंस अदर देन बायोटेक्नोलॉजी एंड माइक्रोबायोलॉजी. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो ऑप्ट फॉर द अदर पोर्शन ऑल्सो. सो इट वॉज रियली वेरी नाइस लिसनिंग टू हर. आई होप बाकी लोगों को भी कुछ आइडियाज़ एंड ऑप्शंस मिल गए हों कि और तरह से कंपनी जॉब प्रोफाइल के लिए आप कैसे कैसे प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. सो आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल माई सब्सक्राइबर्स एंड ऑडियंस कि आप इसको देखते रहें, एंड प्लीज़ कमेंट एंड शेयर. और भी कोई सजेशंस होगा तो इट्स ऑलवेज मोस्ट वेलकम, एंड आई विल बी ऑल